Slow down. Hello. Hey, we are now doing this my review. Don't forget to write your name. Okay, write your name. Okay, let's do a little bit of it together. But I want you, for the most part, to do it on your own. Okay, you gotta pick up. Oh, there you go. Okay, please write your name on your paper. So chapter 8, then first thing we're going to do is vocabulary. So complete each sentence. Here's my blue finger. Here we have analog clock, digital clock, half hour, length, measure, minute, and o'clock. So it says, a blank is a type of clock that only uses numbers to show time. So please choose one of these, and you're going to write that on the line. And it might be easier if you X out the one that you have chosen. Okay, then number 2, 30 minutes past the hour is also called a Okay, number 3, to find the length of an object, you can blank it. Then number 4, you can measure how long an object is or its number 5, a blank is a clock that uses and blank is a clock that uses an hour and minute hand. Okay, number 6, blank is a word used to tell time. And then number 7, there are 60 seconds in one blank. If you need more time answering this, just pause the video. Okay. 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 Let's go on. If you'll turn your paper inside out, we'll find number 8 on the concept check. Order the objects by length, right? 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. Okay, hopefully you kept your cubes. This is the smallest toothbrush I've ever seen. Okay, so how many cubes long is each object? So now you're going to measure. Make sure that you place the end of your cube on the line. If you turned your cubes in, let me know. I can meet you and give you new cubes if you need them. Now write the time on the digital clock. We have 11. If you need more time, just pause the video. It's hard to know how much time you need when I'm not doing it with you and you're not here. I'm so sad. I have a really empty classroom. Okay, so number 11, 8 o'clock. So now you're going to write it on the digital clock. And then number 12, 3:30. Write that on the digital clock. Then we'll go on to number 13 on the next slide. I'll give you a little bit more time. Okay, 13. Aaron has swimming practice at 7 o'clock. It lasts for 1 hour. What time does the swimming practice end? What time does it end? It started at 7 o'clock and it lasted for 1 hour. What time did the practice end? Draw that time using the analog clock, please. Okay, then number 14. The party starts at 4 o'clock. The party is over 1 hour later. What time does the party end? So here's the digital clock this time. It started at 4 o'clock. It lasted for 1 hour. What time did it end? Write it digitally, please. Remember, you're not writing what time it started, you're writing what time the party ended. Okay, so here we have test practice. You're just going to fill in the bubble. The hour hand is between the 9 and the 10. The minute hand is at the 6. Which clock is it? Which clock did I just describe? The hour hand is between 9 and 10. The minute hand is at 6. Which clock is it? Okay. Let's go to the back side, please, on reflect. Show the ways to answer. Circle the object that is longer. And then it says explain to a classmate or explain to your, in this situation, explain to your parent or your sibling how you found the answer, which one is longer. And then this one you get to choose the time for yourself. Show the same time on both clocks. So both clocks should reflect the same time. So if you choose, let's say 3:30, you want to show 3:30 on the analog clock as well as 3:30 on the digital clock. And here it's got a little lunchbox that's making me hungry. And this girl doing her painting. And I miss you upside down even again. I miss you guys like crazy. I really do. It makes me want to cry. Okay, I hope to see you soon. Wash your hands. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Love you guys. Have a great spring break, by the way. Spring break is next week. So after spring break, you'll pick up 2 weeks worth of work, and then you won't have to turn it in until 2 weeks later. So that makes sense. And then the last week before, hopefully all this is over and I get to see your smiling faces again, we'll just be doing a fun group project as far as first grade, all together doing a fun group project. So after this week, enjoy spring break. After spring break, we'll have 2 weeks worth of packets all picked up at the same time, along with 2 weeks worth of videos. You poor things, you have to watch me every day. And then we'll just do a fun kind of project all together with first grade. So, all right. Love you guys.